Okay, so I've seen a new bug that seems to have appeared on Fire TV sticks recently. That's as of October 2023. I don't know if this has come as part of an update, but it's a massive bug. It's a bug that basically can brick your Fire Stick, turn it into a completely useless stick, because basically every time you go into any app or any setting, all you get is this screen here, this circle in a box, and it just hangs there. The circle just spins. Now, I haven't got a live picture of this. This is just a simulated picture of what happens. But what do you do if you've got this? Well, I've got a suggestion for you. All the details coming up shortly. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. So, as I say, there's a new bug going around on the Fire TV stick, and it seems to be bricking them. So what happens is you basically boot up your Fire Stick, and as soon as you try to go into anything, you go into any apps or any settings or anything like that, then straight away you just get this black screen with a box in the middle of it, a rectangular box with a circle spinning. Now that box just carries on spinning forever and a day. No matter how long you leave it, it just stays there and it just spins. Okay, so what I'd recommend doing whilst the circle is on the screen. Now, unfortunately, I haven't got the problem, or fortunately, I haven't got the problem. So I can't fully show you this, but if you've got the circle stuck on the screen, then grab your remote control, press and hold the back button and the right hand part of the ring on the remote control, and just keep it held down for 10 seconds. So count down from 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, and there you go. After a while, you should get this reset to factory defaults. When you see that, then take your fingers off the button, press the left hand side of the ring on the remote control, and then press the middle, or just wait till it counts down to 0. I'm going to cancel that because I don't want to reset my Fire Stick. So just to go through that again, press and hold the back button whilst holding down the right hand side of the ring, and keep those held down for 10 seconds. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And there we go. So like I say, if you can't move it to the left, just leave it on cancel, because what's going to happen is after that amount of seconds that's shown on screen, it's going to reset anyway. So that'll reset your stick back to its factory defaults, which means that you do have to set it up again from scratch. It'll be like a new stick, but hopefully that will save your stick from going in the trash. If you've had this problem yourself, then please let us know in the comments down below. If you can, let us know what stick it is, if indeed it is a Fire Stick. Is it a Fire TV Cube that you're having the problem with as well? So far, I think it's only been the sticks that have had the problem. Let us know what version of stick you've got, whether it's a first gen, a second gen, a Fire TV Stick, a Fire TV Stick Lite, a 4K first gen, a 4K Max first gen, or even if it's one of the new 4K or 4K Max second gens. Please let us know in the comments down below. And if you know what Fire OS you're running as well, then that would be good to know too. Hopefully this guide has helped you. If it has, again, please let us know in the comments down below. Equally, if it hasn't helped you, then equally let us know in the comments down below. It would be good to know whether this does help or not. As I say, I don't have this problem myself, so I'm unable to fully test this, I'm afraid, but feedback from you really does help with this channel. And if this video has helped you, then consider hitting that thanks button and donating to this channel. Or if you're in the market for a new Fire Stick accessories, or a VPN, please consider buying or subscribing through the links in the description of this video, because donating or buying through these links really does help support this channel. It helps me to dedicate more time into researching and bringing you these videos. And whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not hang around? I've got thousands of other videos for you right here, right now, covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully whilst you're here, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and money. Thanks for watching.